Hey guys, Mac Pattern Traders. It is May 6th on Thursday. Guys, I still feel very sick. I'm congested. So please bear with with my sinuses. All right, I'm not really gonna spend time on BTC because it's been doing a whole lot of nothing. It's making a bearish pattern. I'm still expecting a little bit of higher. I know everyone's expecting this to dump, which yeah, it could dump, but to me it didn't really do much. Didn't take much liquidity. From a low time frame perspective, you do have a three top pattern, and this usually leads to a move back down to at least $56,000 before another move back up. But if we are as bullish as I think we are, from a macro perspective, then this should easily do something along the lines of this. And then when we get to this area over here, then we could assume start hedging hard, right? Start hedging hard. So I am not I'm not looking for swing shorts yet. I know a lot of people have already gotten into swing shorts. I'm not looking for I'm being honest. I exited roughly about 60% of the market. I am sitting in USDT, not because I'm bearish, but because I'm taking a different approach from the market. I'll talk to you guys a little bit about my approach going forward. I'm not into the whole investors mindset anymore. I have my investments that I entered in November and in December. I'm not planning on touching those bags until probably the end of the year. But going forward, I want to do proper setups. So I made significant profits throughout the last 4 months, catching cycle lows. There's no reason to gamble that money away, right? It's not profit until you realize it. And the number one thing that fucked me up in 2018, and I wanted this to be a reminder for everybody, and it's not that I'm trying to sound negative, is, dude, you don't own that money until you fucking take it. So just because your P&L says, your unrealized P&L says you're up $300,000, doesn't mean that you actually physically have it, right? So take this as advice from someone that gave a lot back to the market throughout the years. It's always better to take profit and to leave an extra 10 or 15% on the table than to watch your profit go from 300,000 back down to like 120K. You know, so don't do the mistakes that I did. I'm profit taking now. I'm not profit taking hard, guys. I'm profit taking hard. I don't want to. I don't want to. I don't. Even if BTC goes all the way up to $80,000, I'm content. I'm happy because the right thing to do is to start taking your profits, start looking for new setups, and actually play the setups accordingly to what the market behavior is. And current market behavior right now is chop. It's a chop fest, right? We don't know if BTC is going to completely roll over and die, or if BTC is going to go for all-time highs. At that point, why are you risking a big investment back? So be careful. You know, just be smart. So what I'm doing right now, to give you guys an idea, is let me see. Where's the altcoins? Right here. Okay. So this is what I'm doing right now. I opened up, for example, a brand new link long. I took $40,000, like 45,000. I don't remember what I did a few days back, and I opened up a long over here. And I'm doing this going forward now. This is exactly what I'm doing, so you guys get an idea. This is strictly spot, by the way. I'm not doing no leverage. Leverage is small. Like I do like maybe $2,000-$3,000 leverage trades. It's not really much. And I'm targeting. Well, I hit my first target, by the way. I closed 30%. So, but I'll tell you what I'm doing. So I take it from the lower high into the higher low. I hit my TP1. So we should get a retracement back to at least like $42. And then if you want to extend it further, my next target is where's my -1? That's stupid. $67 around the 60 range. You could also get some confluence with an extension. Right there, $67. That's my next target. And don't forget, guys, this is for the new bag that I opened up a few days back when we dumped with a spot. TP1, just to give you guys an idea. And TP2. Now, my link bag that I'm holding, I'm gonna hold until $90, $95, give or take around there, and then I'm gonna probably start getting rid of my investment bag as well at that point, because I want to actually start taking profit. I'm not taking profits from my investment bags because I got in a little bit on the safe side. I'm in from all my investment bags were in from December, man, like November and December. We're already done here. Right? I didn't catch the wicks, but they were all from here. I even sometimes some of the altcoins that I'm holding were even from the November top. So this whole range that we accumulated, I was accumulating altcoins for my investment bag, and then throughout January, February, and March, I was adding new setups and new Binance accounts. Just keep that in mind whenever you hear me telling you guys about my investment bags, because people get confused. So, word of advice, guys: take some profit. Market is indecisive right now. We don't know which way BTC is going to go, and it's going to be a shame if BTC rolls over and it ruins the party for everybody. So take some profits, okay? Go back to BTC real quick. So if this is an actual 3-top pattern, this is going to come somewhere down here. And then if you don't make a higher high after that and you get rejected, then you know for a fact you're coming down here. And you're going to take out this and take out this. But until you do this bounce, where you come down and go and retest the top, you don't know that you're bearish or bullish, right? But I'm still leaning towards more upside. If you look at a brand new chart, because for some weird reason, my chart got deleted. Yeah, I got deleted. I don't know why I got deleted. I got deleted. So anyway, if you're looking at a brand new chart without putting anything on your map, go to your 1 hour. We're still playing with. Oh no, I'm sorry. Is this Monday? It's Monday. Where's my Monday range? Monday low. We're still playing in Monday range, right? So what does that mean for us? Well, that means that we need to go take out those Monday highs. These Monday highs need to get taken out before we could even assume that we're bearish. Without you taking this high, so ideally something along the lines of deviate, retest, short this, and come back and target this. If one is playing the short side, right? But make sure that you wait for the deviation, guys. If you're looking at strictly price action, you have a 1 hour order block over here. It's going to offer us decent support. Let's label it H1 order block. You guys know what an order block is, right? An order block is an area of, let's just call it support, an area where price has a potential bounce in play. Okay, so now if you look at the oscillators, how do the oscillators look? Well, let's just play with the lower time frame. You are getting a 1 hour over under, but it still has to go all the way up here and curl down. So you're kind of far away from it. I'm not too worried. If you look at the 4 hours, you get some confluence. We still look good, man. We still look fucking good. We're not even crossed. We're not red. This is looking beautiful. We're crossing to the top side. I'm not worried yet. You know, 2 hour looks good. It's a you see this little curl. It means hold your longs. 3 hour. Yeah, man. Everything looks healthy to me, guys. I can't sit here and tell you the guys that we look like shit. It looks healthy. So, microstructure wise, this is your breakdown. Right? We'll make this red. That's your breakdown. Let's make the box red as well. For anyone that is playing the micros and scalping, that should offer us a decent rejection here. We are above the monthly open. This red line is the monthly open. The blue line is the Monday high. Blue line is the Monday low. The gold line is the weekly open. So a simple TMA band. See, off the 2 hour. I'm pretty sure the 1 hour is almost up to the, yeah, there you go. So once the 1 hour gets into the Monday range, which is blue to blue, you're gonna have some solid support. So if this little 1 hour starts going up like this and it drops, that's gonna be your buy zone, and you're gonna take it to for another move to the top side. I'm not interested in shorting, guys. All right, I'm still this. Don't forget, guys, we're still playing with this range. Don't get confused. This is your range right now. Until we break out of this range, you can't be telling me that we should be looking further up. Let's get rid of this range right now, because if you're strictly looking at this is your range low. That's your range high. Let's get rid of this red line. Let's get rid of this box. This is your range right now, guys. Okay, so and let's put a little boxy over here, 0.5. extend. There you go. That's how you should be playing this right now, range wise. What time is it? It's 8:30. New York might pumpy us. I have a lot of Ren, guys, because of Armin. I don't know why, but I bought a lot of Ren, and I hope I'm not gonna regret this later. Hold on, I'm sorry. Okay, so once you get above this specific range and you start trading, consolidating above here, and making like a bull flag or making some kind of like wedge, right? When you're making a bullish pattern on top here, then we can start talking about the macro view. And if you look at the macro view, go to your 4 hour. Okay, go to your 4. What is that? This has to be like a 10 hour or a 12 hour order block. What is that? A 5 hour order block? It's gotta be 8 order block. What order block is this, dude? What the fuck? 7 hour? Oh, why would I put it there? There's gotta be something there. Oh, there it goes. A 2 hour order block. I was about to say. Then at this point, once you get above this specific range, right? Say you do happen to get above this range. Go over here. Let's go like this. Okay. Say you get above this specific channel or whatever you're doing. Now you can start talking about targeting the most important thing that I've been asking for the past couple of days. That 60K range. And to me, without tapping 59 or 60,000, BTC is just in chop zone. 62 is a very far-fetched target for the immediate future, but 59,000 is not, right? So I want to see this specific breakdown get tapped within the next 24 hours. I'm not even joking. Like, even if we go down right here and we tap this 1 hour order block or 2 hour order block, whatever, just to fuck everybody from in here, which this is not likely to happen, but just say it does happen, instantly I want to go straight for this $59,000 mark. At this point over here, I want to be at least bare minimum 70 to 75% USDT. But if we do happen to get lucky and come up to take out these highs over here, I want to be completely into USDT. Maybe only 20% of my portfolio. Again, this is not, guys, this is not new setups. This is everything I bought January, February, and March, and April. I'm taking profits. I'm closing the trades, and I'm looking for brand new setups. And the reason why I'm doing this is because if I don't do this, if I do not do what I'm doing right now, I'm never going to take profit because I know myself. I'm just going to watch my profit dwindle down. But if you just are looking at BTC as a whole, we need to go here, guys. This is a very important, this is the breakdown. This is a very important area. We need to go here. Very important. And if we do happen to get lucky and get above this, if we get lucky and get above that, oh my goodness, we're going to go straight for all these highs over here, guys. 1, 2, 3. So I'm still open for this. I know people are not, but I'm still open for this. The main barrier right now is this red line. So we could do something on the lines of, and then come down take out all these, because don't forget, this is your new range right now, right? We built a beautiful range, and if you let's see how long I think it's about a week's worth of price action. 10 days. So this is your range. So if you're taking strictly range, if you're doing strictly range bound price action, where's my low? Right there. Look at that. That's so gonna get tapped, guys. So gonna get tapped. Let's make this black. Let's make this yeah, make it black. Right? So sweep all these lows, ugly lows, and then from the top side you want to go over here. Let's close this right there. I know that logically speaking this is your range and you deviated. This is how you really play the range. You deviated at the top, deviated the top, right? Retested it on the right side, created a 3 top pattern, 1, 2, 3, and now you die, which is valid. This is what usually happens in a normal scenario. But don't forget, guys, BTC from an oscillator perspective, I think it was a daily. Look, we got an RSX bounce. You might not see the benefits now, but if this confirms by the end of the day, this is going to lead to a multi-day bounce going up. You know, it's a very, very serious bounce, and it's not a 5-minute or a 20-minute time frame. It's a daily time frame, so it should not be neglected. 12-hour looks, we have a bounce, but the only problem with the 12-hour is 1, 2, 3. It's a 3 top pattern. You have to be very careful. So that means that we are in for a nice little dump before any move up, which should give us at least a bull dip on the lower time frame. Be careful with that. 4-hour looks good. 5-hour looks good. I mean, yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me see if the weekly pivoted, guys. Hold on. That's important for me. Did the weekly pivot? See, the weekly still looks like shit to me, man. Oops. Oh, it's not even the weekly. What am I doing? The weekly still looks like shit to me. We need this thing to cross. If this thing starts crossing out, I don't want to see this. I want this thing to just cross. Zack. That's it. Retest it, and that'll be the start of another bull market up. Nice little bull run up. That's what I'm hoping for. Anyway, guys, I'm not gonna sit here and blab. I'll make the video too long. Excuse me, but that's it. Just take this chart. We're playing with this range right now. This is your current range, right here. Don't talk to me about top side potential until we get the fuck out of this range. If you want to be a little bit of a wise guy, turn on your TMA bands. Things are turning green. 4 hours green. Is it, or is the no? It's not. 5 hours green. Should be. Yeah, 5 hours turning green, which is fucking good. 12-hour. Oh, we got above the daily. We retested it. I didn't even see this. That's a solid freaking move, guys. It's a really solid move. Get above the daily, come back, retest it. All we need to do right now is get continuation. Anyway, 12-hour is black. It's not green. All right. Well, you get the idea. Turn on your TMA band so at least you have them and you're able to tell where we are. Where was, here we go, buy sell signals. We have any buy signals? 1 hour. No. 2 hour. No. I mean, we did get a fresh one down here, which led to this move up, but that move's already done. 3 hour. No. 4 hour. We need to get a fresh signal somewhere. 5 hour. Damn, bro. 6 hour. Oh, nice. We got a 6 hour signal. That's beautiful. I missed continuation. Okay, so that's how these signals work, so you guys know. You start at the lower time frame, and even though this 1 hour signal played out, obviously played out because we already got a 1 hour sell, you go to your 2 hour. The 2 hour played out as well. 3 hour played out as well. 4 hour. Did we get a 4 hour signal? We didn't. We get a 5 hour signal. We did. So now all we need to do is to have continuation is to keep getting signals the further up we go. 6 hour got a beautiful signal too. So any kind of dip down will be amazing buying opportunity. But don't forget, guys, if you start breaking structure, ideally, I don't even want to see this. You know why? I don't want to see this. I take that back. Forget what I just said. Because if you start breaking this low right here, you're opening up the doors for these lows down here. right? You don't want to see us break this low. This is the engulfing low. This is the low that engulfed all this fucking price action right here. This candle engulfed these two candles. You do not want to see that low get taken. I take whatever I just said back. You need to go up from here. You need to go up from here. You don't want to lose that momentum or that candle. And is it daily? Yeah, the daily signal is still active. It didn't really do much yet, right? I mean, yeah, it's a big move, but we didn't even put a higher low yet. Okay, so the signals look good. Get rid of the signals. Let me open up the VWAPs now to see what the VWAPs are. Go to your 1 hour. All right, where are we right now? So we are at, we have an empty gap under us at 55.9, guys. Keep that in mind, 55.9. We bounced off the 54.8 weekly, which is fine. We bounced off this weekly to the T, actually. Jesus Christ, beautiful. And we have another empty one at 49.26, which keep that in mind. It could easily be a target for us. Now, from the top side, my main interest I've been saying it, is 59.9. I want this to get tapped. This right here. This is so important for me. I want to see this thing get tapped. At that point, then we could turn around and say, all right, we hit the top. Now we can start trending down if need be. You got one at 59.9. You have another one at 61.1. You have another one at 61.6. And the final one at 62.9. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 above us. 4 above us. So, sorry about that. So, you got your targets above and you have your targets below with the VWAPs. Let me actually see where the monthly is. Hold on. I wanted this. Yeah, we're above the monthly, which is good. It's really good. Yeah. We're above the monthly. That's awesome. Okay, guys, that's my take on BTC. Any kind of dip for me is going to be a buying dip opportunity. Where's the chart that we had? Hold on, did we put it over here? Yeah. It's going to be a buying opportunity for me if we go down to the 1 hour order block. I would not want to see this get lost. I'm playing with this specific range over here for the time being. Put a line over here. You know what you could do actually? Take your fib extension, your fib retracement, and then just put it on the order block over here. Take it off on the left, on the right, and tell yourself, all right, well, I'm going to play this block, and if we do happen to get lucky and get a bounce here, bottom, right? If we get lucky and get a bounce here, see if we can find here you go. And you want to go to your 15-minute or your 30-minute, because that's the lower time frame. There you go. So we already got the 15-minute bounce over London time. Like I was telling you guys that we're going to get a 15-minute bounce off the green. Go to your 30-minute now. See, 30-minute has not been tapped yet. See how we 30 minutes completely green. So watch your 30-minute TMA band. So even if this thing comes down, and this becomes a deviation, comes down, take out this low, right? This is still an order block. Something along the lines of this, or something along the lines of this. But that's what I'm watching for the time being, guys. Trade safe. Don't forget, guys, take profits. We don't know what the market's going to do. Cheers.